Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope so all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, this collection is very elegant, related to the Christmas decoration ideas. You know, the Christmas 2023, the celebration are started now, and everyone like the best platform to watch and create a best garland ideas. You know, the porch area decoration on Christmas is very important. When you not decor your home, your guest feel not happy and you feel very shy and embarrassed moment. So guys, if you are watching the best YouTube channel related to the crafting ideas, then you are right place. EasyCraft Videos is one of the best platforms that provide you the decoration about Christmas, the decoration about Easter. A huge amount of collection are available on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel, to like my YouTube channel, to share my YouTube channel. If you have any trouble, then ask me in comment box. The garland idea is the combination of two colors like red and green. You know, the garland and the wreaths designs and the candle holders and the centerpieces is very important on Christmas. So Christmas started and the Christmas celebration are started. You know, the Christmas, the another name is happiness, create joy, create lovely moments and blessing day. And without decoration and without garland, wreaths design, centerpieces, each and everything looks so bored and your guest is not happy with you. And the decoration is very essential part on Christmas. If you are looking the best YouTube channel, then you subscribe to my channel and like to my YouTube channel. In this collection you see the approximately 100 plus ideas, and 100 plus means the 100 designs. So don't miss the chance to avail my YouTube channel. The garland looks so beautiful, the garland looks so amazing. Watch the video, like the video, to share the video.